Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with November's, yes, November, Magical Mystery Bead Box. So every month they're supposed to mail these by the 15th, and they always, well, not even always, they most of the time print the label by the 15th, but they don't ship them by the 15th. So sorry, it's a little close. For the last 2 months, mine will sit in the PA post office for like a week before it even moves anywhere. And then this one just showed up, I think last week a little bit. It's been sitting for a while. All right, it showed up, I think maybe Saturday or Monday of this week. So this one is Hello Dolly. Oh, Dolly Parton. You know, I've taken a liking to her. She's a cool girl. She's a cool lady. I love these pictures they found of her. Okay, so let's see what it says. What's inside? Islands in the Stream, Bead Strand. Oh, these must be her songs. I haven't really listened to a lot of her songs. I Will Always Love You, Bead Strand. Here You Come Again, mini bead mix. My Tennessee Mountain Home, mini bead mix. Jolene, mini bead mix. I wonder why that one's in red. Maybe because it's just in the middle of the page. I don't know. 9 to 5 tassel assortment, of course. Bling Your Own Pendant Set, silver, crystal and silver cup chain, bracelet kit, and chain reaction. So things you always get: tassel assortment, chain reaction. We know how much I love tassels. So just to get that pain out of the way, here's the tassel assortment. And I think if you've followed my channel for any length of time, you know I regret subscribing to this. And the subscriptions, I think, will end. My last one should be March, because I got the year subscription. So they basically recycle a lot of the same stuff every month. It's just different colors. So I'll be able to point out something that's different this month than we've seen before. But we always get the obligatory tassels, whether it's these flower petals, which are cute, but I don't really use them. These are on the cheaper side. I've used these on bracelets before, and the top is popped off. So those are black. You have some black and silver. That's kind of cute. Some white. Little tiny petals. Little tiny black petals. And then these really tiny metal and black ones. So there's our tassel kit. At least you get quite a few. And black and white you can use with just about anything. And they used black, white, silver, and gold. So I think all the black had silver and all the white had gold. So those are nice. I'm seeing some bead strands that are really blingy. I Will Always Love You, Bead Strand. Very blingy. Oh, I love that guy right there. I love that trillion shape. I have a couple of those. But those are really like yummy. I want to eat them. So, and then I like these. These are like an opaque white with an AB finish. These big boy crystals. I think that's what they call them. We've got a big boho bead in the middle. Some crystal spacers. Some cage beads. I have some of these and I just don't know what to do with them. And then, I don't know if you can see this, but this is it's either glass or plastic, probably plastic, but it's just not a good quality pearl. It's got, I don't know if that's glue or if it's just scratched. Oh no, it's scratched. So I just feel like if you're putting these nice beads in here, why are you going to cheapen it up with, I can't even tell. I think these are plastic pearls. So I do like this strand. I won't use the pearls. They might, I don't know, they'll go in my bead soup or something. We'll see if there's something I can do with them. Maybe I can paint them. Maybe that could be a project. I haven't tried painting pearls before. So, and I do like these ender spacers too. Very cool. I do like this strand. Here's what is it? Crystal and silver cup chain bracelet kit. I'm wondering if they have instructions on their website or something. Certainly blingy. I do love me some sparkle. That's the way to my heart. Turquoise or sparkles. This is really pretty. I haven't really used a lot of cup chain, so, and I do have some of it. I don't have a lot, but I do have some pieces. This is a really pretty piece of cup chain though. So this is a bracelet kit. I don't know if I'll make a bracelet with it, but we'll see. It'll go in the stash for now. And then we have two clasps. These slide in like that to make a multi-strand either necklace or bracelet. These are great for pearls, making multi-strand pearl necklaces. Okay. Here's the second strand. This one is called Islands in the Stream. So that must be a name of her song, one of her songs. It's funny, this card says contents will vary. I haven't watched it. I don't watch other unboxings of monthly subscriptions because I like to be surprised. So I'm wondering what some other people might have gotten. I do like this big bead right here. And I really like it with the gold bead caps. It's got the silver rivets, or eyelets or whatever you want to call those. But if you will remember, I had a panda haul video where I made a necklace using large hold beads that had that silver, but I used gold bead caps to hide it. So I really do like that. I love this guy. Yeah, it's glass. I think it's glass. Yeah, it's glass. And then these are really cool. Those are nice. I like those. These remind me of those beads that I got from Shipwreck that had the rhinestones through the middle, which I'm obsessed with now. Maybe I could make my own using the cup chain in polymer clay. Oh, y'all, we might be doing that. I got to figure out how to do it, but we might be doing that. More cage beads. I've never really, I've seen the same things over and over done with cage beads, and they're cute, but they're not innovative. And I don't know that I've ever seen anything like crazy done with cage beads. So if you guys have, just let me know where so I can see what they look like. This is a really pretty strand. I like that. What do we have here? Is this Bling Your Own Pendant Set? Oh, okay. That's probably what this is. Okay, so I guess you can choose which setting or which stone you want to put in which setting, which I don't really understand the point. Like, would it have taken that much longer to just glue? I guess I'm just a Scrooge when it comes to this kit. I don't know. I do like that crystal. My goodness, that is sparkly. That is so pretty. It's a cute little pendant though. Yeah, I definitely like it the other way around, but that's really pretty. It's cute. It's cute. Here's the chain reaction. It's funny because, oh no, there's two in here. I was gonna say they've kind of cut down on the chain reaction. They must have a lot of it because they send it out a lot. I'm pretty sure they only have a few colors. So this one's like a burgundy. It's like brown, more brown than ruby color. Number 13. They are all numbered. It's nice, and you can cut it apart to use it as links if you'd like. And then this one's just silver and crystal with AB on the crystal. I was gonna say, I don't really see how the gold and the red ties in, but it's coming. I was like, what? Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, I like the like stardust finish on that guy right there. This is number 23. I don't know if I've seen that one before. I'll probably have it, but we never know. What does this say? Don't forget to peel the paper off this acrylic charm. This protects your piece during the laser cutting process, also during shipping. Thank you, Sparkle Monster. What is a Sparkle Monster? So, it's hard to be a diamond in a rhinestone world. So that must be a quote. Oh yeah, because it says Dolly on it. So let me see if I can get this off. Okay, so this is black acrylic, and I'll have to use like a piercing tool or something to get that out of there, and I scratched it up here trying to get that paper off. It was real on there. I don't really on there. I don't think I could have gotten it off. This is a cute little charm, and I like that quote, so I'll probably use it. I did scratch the back too. I'm the worst. So anyway, I was very impatient. I think that's a cute little charm. This is called My Tennessee Mountain Home. Sorry. And it's a bead mix. Mini bead mix is what they call this. Okay, so it was taped closed, so I had to undo it. I'm already seeing a loose sparkle, so that means somebody broke. Oh, this has got some pretty stuff in it. So like, this is the old Jesse James bead stuff that I was like super excited to buy and would love to unbox. Like this seems a little bit higher quality than this box seems a little higher quality than the last few. The last few have just been super disappointing. So here is this is a problem. So this one, the cap isn't glued on right, so you can see right there the sparkles are coming out. I'll have to see if I can fix that later. But I can just slip them back in and hopefully re-glue that. We have a pair of cage beads, little smaller ones, a couple chandeliers. Oh, those are cute. I haven't seen ones that look like that before. Those are really pretty. I like the rhinestones down here too. So a pair of those. You can make a pair of earrings. You can use those to make a multi-strand necklace. We've got some regular not AB crystals. So far it's pairs at least of everything. So you can make earrings if you'd like, or do a even pattern. I love these quatrefoil beads. I have some of them in various colors, but I love that AB finish. I'm always going to be an AB finish girl. Like anything that has that Aurora Borealis on it, whew, my eyes are drawn right to it. We have 2 crackle beads. We have these beautiful little heart charms. Those are cute. Those are really cute. Got a couple bead caps, 4 of them. Some crystal rondelles. Always use those. You guys know I love those. Those are great in earrings too. Don't know where the mate is to this guy. So it's looking like that's the only one, which is weird. Everything else had 2. That might just be a mistake. Again, crystal pearls. These aren't crystal. These are plastic. Either that or just very lightweight glass. I think I can't tell. They're not the best quality. And then we have some crystal bicones and some crystal teardrops. Overall, that's a really nice mix. Really nice mix. I enjoyed that one. Mini mix, Jolene. Still haven't used anything out of the other red mix I got from them a couple months ago. But I've noticed that I really get a thrill out of the beads themselves. I love making jewelry, but again, my favorite thing is the beads. So I don't mind if I don't make something with my supplies. They're my babies. So we have some acrylic flower beads. We have a charm. This is acrylic. Some crystal barrels. Those are neat. I like those. Those are really pretty. Some crystal, some crackle glass. It's almost pink, but it's like a light red. It's not pink. Some crystal rondelles. And then some like matte gold crystal rondelles. And then a couple tassels and then some spacer beads. I really like these spacer beads. I want like a whole package of them. I haven't seen anything like that before. I love those. I actually want to kind of wire wrap them so we can see that in the front, not just the side of them. So overall, I do like the Jolene mix too. And then there's one more mix called Here You Come Again. So this is the black one. I'm not usually a huge fan of black, white, and red, but I did really like it the way they put it together in this one, in this kit. Okay. Okay, so the first things I'm seeing are these rectangle crystals. Those are really neat. I like those. We have some check glass pieces. I think they're glass. Some hematite, however you say it. Potato. Some beads. Oh, these are cool. Oh, these are beaded dangles. Neat. I like that. I like black and gold together. Actually, I love black and gold together. I love black. Favorite color, third favorite color. Some bead caps. Some gold fluted looking bead, corrugated, I should say, not fluted. 2 resin beads. This one's broken. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a rhinestone missing there. But they're cute. You wouldn't be able to tell if you put it on a bracelet. And then some crystal rondelles. And that is about it for this kit. Oh, no, we have some tinier crystals. Honestly, guys, I really truly enjoyed this kit, which I can't say that often, so I'm going to give them props. I think I really liked it. The black, red, white usually wouldn't be my thing, but I think they put some actual quality beads in this one. Last month, I just kind of shook my head with the Scooby-Doo. But yeah, I think they hit the nail on the head this time. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good one. Bye-bye.